Hello everyone. A lot of organizations have a requirement of extracting text from images. While there are a lot of libraries that can help you successfully extract text from images, I happen to stumble upon one that is very accurate. Along with accuracy, it also provides support for 40 different languages. So the library is called EasyOCR, and let me walk you through this library as well. So as you can clearly see, it extracts text from images and it is highly accurate as well. Let us go through some sample output as well. So if I look at this sample output, it basically consists of three parts. The first part represents the bounding box of where the text was located. The second part is the actual text which is extracted. And the third part is the confidence associated with the result that it has predicted. So big shout out to all the creators of this library who have also open sourced this library so that all of us can use. I really liked one of the sentence which kind of signifies what open source is all about. So they've mentioned let's advance humanity together by making AI available to everyone. So again, a big shout out to the creators. So after reading this amazing line, let's move forward and look at an actual walkthrough of this amazing library called as EasyOCR. I'm using Google Colab for the demo purpose and I've already selected the runtime type as a GPU given I have to make prediction from a pre-trained model. So the first thing that you have to do in order to run EasyOCR is to first install EasyOCR, and the way you do that is by running the command pip install EasyOCR. So let me run this cell. Now that the installation is done, you basically have to go forward and restart the runtime in order to make use of the newly installed version. So let me do that as well. So I go to runtime, I click on restart runtime and I click on yes. Now let's go forward and actually import the necessary modules that are required for this walkthrough. So let me run this cell. Before I go forward and download the pre-trained model, one thing that I wanted to show you is I've already imported two images, which is image1.jpg and image2.jpg that I'll be using for making a prediction and actually finding out the text in the images that are there. So that is what I wanted to show you. Let's move forward and execute this cell. As you can clearly see, it is downloading the detection model. If you look closely, I've already selected the language to be English. So I wanted to create a demo for the English language. So that is why I've selected this language. Feel free to select the other languages in order to test out the accuracy of different language models as well. Let's move forward to the OCR part now. I have an image with the name image1.jpg. Let me show you the image now. So this is the image that I have and I want to extract out the text from this image. So let me go forward. I had already saved the pre-trained model into a variable called as reader. The next thing that I do is I call the function read text, which kind of takes in the image and generates the text out of it and saves this output in a variable called as output. So let me run this cell. Let's go over the content of the output variable. This is the output that is generated. The first part is the bounding box coordinates. The second part is the text which is generated. And the third part is the confidence with which that text is predicted or generated. Let us catch hold of the last output which has my name. So I catch hold of this output and save it into a variable called as chord. So essentially what I want to do is I want to show you where the bounding box was created. So I catch hold of the minimum values of the coordinates as well. I catch hold of the maximum coordinates, that is x and y values. And using matplotlib, I want to show you where the bounding box was in form of a red rectangle. So let me run this cell. So this is the output that I have. So given for this image, I can clearly see there is a red bounding box that is generated. Let us try to generate an output for the second image that I have handy as well. So let me go up and change the image now. So let's go for image2.jpg. So this is the image that I captured long time ago. Now if I make a prediction from this model, let's see what the output is. So it is clearly able to identify statistics, learning as well as machine. Let's also try to find out where the coordinates of machine were. So I follow the same process again. I just change the file name to image2.jpg. Let's go forward and run the cell. So it's able to clearly figure out where machine was. The only modification that I had to make was here the output that I was getting was in form of like a floating number. So that is why I had to add the int value here. So the more you play around with it, the more you will be able to discover the hidden secrets of Easy OCR. Basis the small testing that I carried out at my end, I found this to be very accurate in form of extracting text from images. So this was a small walkthrough video that I wanted to create for you guys to directly start using Easy OCR. Please feel free to go through the repository. If you like the content of the repository, then feel free to star it as well as fork it so that you can maybe modify the content of the repository as well. So this is all that I had. I hope you found this video interesting. If you like the content that I post on my channel, it would be really motivating if you can press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to be notified for amazing new data science and machine learning videos. Thank you so much for watching the video.